In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload videos on YouTube from your phone. So what you need to do is open up the YouTube app, and once you're here, you need to be logged into your YouTube account. So if you look in the bottom right hand corner, you can see I'm logged in to KnowledgeBase. You need to be logged into your account. So go to the button in the bottom right hand corner, and if you haven't already logged in, it will allow you to log in here. Once you've logged into your account, you can go ahead and click on the plus icon, which will be at the bottom. Now from here, choose the video that you want to upload. I'm just going to upload this example video, and you can then go ahead and click next. Now that is going to be the finished video that we're uploading to YouTube, so make sure that it is downloaded from your editing software onto your Photos app. Now what you can do here is create your title, add a description, and we can go ahead and publish this to YouTube. We'll also be able to add a custom thumbnail. So here we can create a title, so I'll just call this desk tutorial. You can go ahead and title this however it would be relevant for your video, and you've also got your description, so you can add your description here. Now if you've got any preset links which usually appear in your description when you're publishing on the computer, they won't actually appear here. So you could go and copy and paste them, or you could just retype them in. So that's just something to bear in mind, but you can type in your description here. You can add links that are necessary. You've got the visibility. Now by default, it will be on public, but I'm going to change it to unlisted just so I can make any changes that are necessary, and then I can publish it later on. Then you've got here your playlists, and pretty much on from there isn't much else you can alter. You can then click on upload. That will then upload your video, so just be patient and you should see it soon. To preview your video, go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. It will take you to this window. You can then click your videos, and then if you sort by most recent, it should appear soon. So here is my video. As you can see, all checks completed. We can go ahead and click on this video and watch it, and as you can see, it is uploaded. If we click the three dots, we can go ahead and then edit and make any further adjustments to this video, and we can also add a thumbnail. So if you go to the thumbnail icon in the top left hand corner, you can add a custom thumbnail, and that will open up a file explorer on your device so you can just add them in. With all that being said, make sure you click save, and you can go ahead and then make it public. You can then click edit, and you can change the visibility to public and click save. So that is how I would upload a video to YouTube from your phone. I hope that helped.